Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going over problem 12-11A with you guys, and as you can see I got it partially correct, but I did get it figured out so you guys don't mess up on the same part that I did. So we're going to start out with, I referenced the textbook in this because that had a great demonstration of where you could find a good format for this, and I just flipped through the chapter to find that, and the textbook was very helpful for this. And so kind of you can just see how it's listed. It starts with cash flows from operating activities and the net income. And the net income is given to you in the information listed above. And then the next subtitle is going to be net cash provided from operating activities. And then you're going to list the various operating activities that are given to you, as you can see that I have right here. And so we'll go just step by step on how I got the answers to these first boxes. And so the loss on disposal of plant assets, I got that answer by subtracting the book value and how much it was sold for. And that gave me this first box. And then the decrease in accounts receivable, you just subtract the initial costs that were given in 2017 and 2016. And then the increase in inventory, the same things there is you just subtract the initial cost, and that's the same for prepaid expenses and the increase in accounts payable. And all that information can be found up at the top with the 2016 and the 2017 that you're subtracting. And then for depreciation expense, that was listed in bullet number 1, that in the additional information section. And then we're going to move on. So you add all those up and you get the final how much that all the operating activities were, and then you add that to the net income, and that gives you your net cash provided by operating activities. And then now we're going to move on to the cash flows for investing activities. And in this one, there's the sales of equipment, and that's given up here. And it says that equipment sold for 9,368, and then the purchase of equipment was also in that same bullet number 5, and that tells you how much they purchased it for cash. And then sales of land. This one was confusing for me, and so I'll let you guys know how to do it. And so how this works is you're going to take the 2016 value of land, and you're going to add that to bullet number 6 when it says that it was issued in exchange for land with fair value of 46,840. So you're going to add the 2016 value and the number given to you in bullet point number 6, and then you're going to subtract that from the 2017 land cost. And that will give you the correct answer for the sale of land box. In this case, it's 29,275. And so then you'll add these three numbers together and you will get the correct number for net cash used in investing activities. And so now we're going to move on to financing activities. And so the cash payment of cash dividends that's given to you. And so if you just look through your information in bullet number 3, it says cash dividends were paid. And then the next one is the net increase in cash. And then the cash at the beginning in period. So the net increase in cash is from subtracting the 2016 and the 2017 values. And then you do the beginning value and the ending value, and those are both just found from the 2016 as the beginning and the 2017 as the ending. And then in the non-cash investing and financing activities, that number is also given to you. So you'll just add these, and then you'll get your final value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me about it.